To make voiceover audio sound better in Adobe Premiere Pro CC. Drag your audio file onto the timeline below, highlight your audio file, and make sure that the audio 1, 2, or 3 is selected from the top left effects. Type in bass and drag that onto your audio file. Type in treble and drag that onto your audio file, and then type in hard limiter and drag that onto your audio file as well. And then click effects control and then adjust the bass to 6, treble to let's say 11, and then click edit for hard limiter right here, and then drag this right here and to the right until you get a -5, and you can adjust it to your preference. It's your choice. You can mess around with the peak or the peak levels right here and then click exit. And this is the before.
If you want to add a voiceover to your video clip timeline, make sure you deselect anything that's in your timeline, scroll to audio, and then select voiceover.
And then this is the after.
If you want to add a voiceover to your video clip timeline, make sure you deselect anything that's in your timeline, scroll to audio, and then select voiceover.
Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.